So we have the syndication, the real coin fund, which involves the Bitcoin. We've got the income fund, and then we've also cracked the code on how to take 1031 exchange money utilizing a tick structure. And so that was huge too. Our last two deals, I mean, we brought in probably a third of our money from 1031 exchanges, and that was kind of a game changer for us as well. Yeah, we decided to do the fund model almost a year ago. So I think it would have been like November or December. Mm-hmm. It was December of 24. We decided to join Black Card and really started on it in earnest in January of 2025. And, you know, we had that first fund up and running before we closed on our property in June. So we fast tracked it for sure. And it took a lot on our end. You know, I think it helped that we had a lot of syndication history. So a lot of the structure and the legal, a lot of that stuff wasn't new to us. So that helped us fast track it. But for sure, I mean, way we structure our deals currently, we've got kind of 4 ways to get involved. And so you can either just come into our syndication where you just own a piece of the LP, LLC, and you get a split. Mm-hmm. You can come in through our real coin fund, which 70% of that goes into our real estate assets, 20% buys and holds Bitcoin, and then 10% we keep liquid for opportunistic purchases, flips, things like that. Our income fund pays people 10% interest if they commit to a 6-month period, or 12% if they commit to 12 months or more. Incredibly popular. I mean, so the real estate supports those payouts, and the real estate could afford to take on about 1.3 million at that 10 and 12% rate. And so that filled up in just over a week when we threw that out to investors. So we had a lower minimum for that, $25,000 minimum. It's kind of like a supercharged checking account, right? So what we do is if you commit to 6 months, we'll pay you 10% interest on your money. We pay that monthly. And once your 6-month commitment is up, at any time, if you want to call all or some of your capital back, you have a 60-day window to get your money back to you. And then we just backfill that with our wait list of people who want to get into that fund.